A very pleasant morning to everyone gathered here. I am here to present about the power of self-confidence. In youth, first of all, every one of us has dreams and talents, but without self-confidence, even over the brightest ideas remains hints. Let me start with the question: how many of us have stopped ourselves from speaking up, try something new, chasing a dream just to become we thought? What if I fail? And the truth is failure is not a real enemy. Self doubt is. Self Self confidence is something that they build a inner belief it punches to. Try to talk, rise and even to turn our failures into a success. Self confidence is not about the knowing everything, it's about the believing whatever comes I will try, learn and grow. Without self confidence, even if you have talent, you may never use this due to fear of failures. But with confidence, even if you lack resource, you will still find a way. To develop a self confidence, we should come out of our comfort zone and try to socialize confidence being in over daily classes by doing small tasks or by being the volunteers in simple events. So, my dear friends, let us not compare ourselves with others. Instead, let us try truthfully our journey. Mistake many happens and we many also faced failures. But self-confidence is will turn them into a stepstone. Let me end with the small story. A baby elephant has small tried to small rope since birth. In tried to break free many times but would not. As it gave into a hug elephant, he stopped trying, even though it was stung. Yes, to break the rope in one pull, it believed it would not. Friends, many of us like a elephant, powerful, talent, full of potential, but tied down by our own doubt. The moment will